One last thing before we finish this series. We are at the moment sending the user input directly to the recipient without actually filtering this data in any way. We collect all the information and we just put it into an email and we send it to the recipients. It may be a good idea to escape all these values populated from the form by just using the strip tags, for instance, function, which will allow us to remove any tags, because you may have genuine users most of the time, but there may be a situation where sometimes you're gonna get some obviously crazy paranoid person which likes destroying obviously everybody else's life. So to do this, let's simply open our form.php and scroll down to our method here, and let's just strip tags of these values. So strip tags. I'm pretty sure most of the mail clients, as well as obviously mail hosting services, already do all they can to obviously prevent any kind of hacks and so on. But it doesn't hurt to obviously have this kind of thing in place as well. So all these values populated from the form will now be stripped of any tags. If we save the file and open our email.php as well, if I just quickly try to identify the attachment method, add attachment. There we go. We've got the name. We already obviously using string value, but that doesn't do anything to this. So we're going to be basically also using strip tags around the name and the file name here, and also we have path file. If I just quickly do the file here, actually file equals strip tags file, then I've got this one covered and this one as well, so we don't have to have it here. And this way we've got the name and the file name also stripped of any possible tags that may be put in place. There's also one thing which I've done by mistake actually. If we go to our mod folder and open send.php, we're gonna have to apply the same thing to send multiple.php. If we scroll down to the bottom, you can see we have this catch exception statement here. Now, exception, the message will always be a string because you cannot really send an array as the parameter here. So this is array doesn't make any sense. So let's remove this if is array statement and only return echo JSON encode and obviously error true message equals message. So exactly same situation with send multiple. If we scroll down to the bottom, remove this line and a closing bracket, indentation, save both of the files, and we are now all done with this whole exercise. So if you have any comments, obviously use our comment section, and good luck with your projects.